Using Neovim on Windows is straightforward and highly customizable. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install Neovim. Download the latest Neovim release for Windows from the official site. Extract the downloaded zip file and add the Neovim binary directory to the system's path variable for easy access. Install a package manager. Use a plugin manager like packer.nvim or vimplug for managing extensions. For packer.nvim, run the following. Create configuration files. Create the Neovim configuration folder and file at the following. Add plugins. Install plugins for language support, file management, and autocomplete. Nvim treeseeder for syntax highlighting. Nvim LSP config for language servers. Example in init.lua. Install dependencies. Install Node.js and Python if needed for plugins and language servers. Open Neovim. Launch Neovim from the terminal or directly from the Start menu. Start coding in your projects.